Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. So we have reached our final topic of for the subject electric and electronic technology, and the final topic will be the Boolean. So in the video explained by Dr. Yusri, you have learned all about the Boolean until from the standard expression, from the logic diagram until the ends of the Boolean, which is the Kano map. So I would like to summarize up all that you need to know in this topic. So basically, in the beginnings of the lecture, you had learned about the logic diagram, where we have the OR diagram and NOT and so on. And from the logic diagram, we can create the standard expression, where it can be a combination of two or three or more inputs, and we can write it in one expression like this, as shown here: f equal to ab and so on. So we know that plus is for OR and the multiplication is for the AND. And then from the standard expression, okay, we know that we can also create the standard expression, or we can create from the standard expression a truth table, where the truth table is where we have the input and output, and where we are going to use the combination of binary 0 and 1, and we are going to check this table with the expression. So we can simplify, or we can use the truth table uh, to uh, to create a standard expression using two different methods: the sum of product, where we take true as one, and the other method is the product of sum, where we took the false, or we took the value of 0. Okay, so this is one way where we can create the standard expression. And then from the standard expression, we can simplify into a minimum expression using two different methods. The first method is the Boolean algebra method, where we had to remember several identities of the Boolean algebra, and we can simplify this standard expression into the minimum expression as shown here. So from a long expression, it will become just b plus ac. And of course, from the minimum expression, we can redraw the logic diagram, and this time it will be much simpler, where we only have b plus ac. So the diagram will be very simple. Another method where we use the Kano map, K map. Okay, and to use K map, we have to remember the rules that you have to follow for sorry okay, for the input with three logic gates, four logic gates. So you have to use different tables. Okay, so using the Kano map, where we can simplify the standard expression becoming a minimum expression, and then we can again draw the logic diagram and find out the minimum number of logic gate that are required to fulfill the standard expression, to fulfill the function itself. Okay, so in the end of this video, I have two questions for quiz, where you have to use the Boolean algebra technique. Okay, make sure you write all the calculation method. Okay, and then the second one is assignment, where I have two question also. Okay, and you have to use a Kano map. Okay, make sure you draw the table carefully, and then follow the rules and simplify this expression uh, as simple as you can. Okay, that's it for my final video. um, I wish you good luck for your final exam. I think most of you are going to take the final exam in the phase 2 in August, if, I, if I'm not mistaken. So if you have any questions, you can ask me through WhatsApp, and that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and thank you. See you again.